Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare case coins for you all today. Let's start. 822 Kolkata BU Dabbu coin 200. Some definitive is there. BU condition 89 Hyderabad 200. 91B 100. 89B 100. 88B 100. 86B 100. 84B 100. 2003 Hyderabad BU condition 100. 82B Dabbu coin 200. Indira Gandhi Ghost Image Mumbai Mint 200. Patel Hyderabad 100. Patel Kolkata 100. 100. 1919 Kolkata 2 Ana single mint coin scarce 300. Nehru Mumbai BU condition 100. Foreign mint coin 2000 Moscow mint BU 50 rupees. 2002 Noida mint UNC 100. 2002 Kolkata mint error coin UNC 200. 95 Noida UNC 200. 96 Noida UNC 200. 2000 Noida UNC 200. 25th anniversary Kolkata mint UNC 200. Mumbai BU 200. Ambedkar Mumbai mint BU 300. Asian Games Mumbai BU 100. 82 Dabbu coin 100. AUNC condition Hyderabad mint Tamil Conference 300. 300 each. Aurobindo Noida UNC 300. Jawaharlal Nehru English Legend Mumbai mint UNC 200. Hindi Legend Mumbai mint UNC 100. Jayaprakash Narayana Mumbai BU 200. Quit India Movement Hyderabad mint UNC 300. This is a lamination error comes from the Hyderabad mint. This is a Mumbai mint 200. Food and Shelter Mumbai BU 200. Mahatma Gandhi UNC 50 paise Mumbai mint 200. Kolkata UNC 200. Mother's Health Mumbai mint 300. This is extra fine to AUNC type condition, and this is also same condition. Noida mint 400. 400 and 300. If you want both, you can take for 500. Somebody wants to add mint wise collectors can just take this 700, but both for 500. Mumbai mint Growmore Food BU condition 300. 300 rupees each. UNC condition Food and Work Mumbai mint 200. 200 rupees each. 73 Mumbai Mint and 74 Mumbai Mint. UNC condition. 100 rupees each means 200 rupees set. 73 and 74. AUNC condition. Safe for development. Kolkata Mint. Very scarce coin. 500. Small farmers. Mumbai Mint BU 300. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU 200. Noida 200. 200 rupees each. Fisheries UNC Hyderabad 200. Dhaneshwar BU Mumbai Mint 200. Rajiv Gandhi Mumbai BU 200. This is a ghost image one. You can see ghost image 200. Subhash Chandra Bose Hyderabad Mint AUNC condition 500. Small food for all BU condition Mumbai Mint 200. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint UNC 300. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU 300. 1990 BU Mumbai Mint 300. This is 2 rotation coin. One is 2 o'clock rotation, one is 4 o'clock rotation. This is both for 300 rupees. Actually it's written 300 plus 200, 500. No, both you can take for 300 rupees. 89 Noida BU, 90 Noida 300, 300, 300, 600. Food and Shelter UNC Mumbai Mint 200. Care for Girl Happy Child Mumbai Mint BU 200. 83 Kolkata BU 200. 200 rupees each. Subhash Chandra Bose Noida Mint UNC 300. Homi Baba Mumbai Mint UNC 100. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. 200 rupees each. Arabindo Kolkata Mint BU condition. Very scarce coin, only 400. This is a D line variety Kolkata Mint 500. International Family of the Year UNC Mumbai Mint 300. Shastri BU condition Kolkata Mint 400 with mild rotation also. Small Family Mumbai Mint UNC 300. Care for Girl Child Hyderabad Mint with proper mint mark 500. Extra fine condition. Biodiversity BU condition Mumbai Mint 400. UNC condition 300. Youth Year Kolkata Mint BU condition 600. Deshbandhu Chitranjan Das, B Lion variety, this is Noida, 300. Youth Year Mumbai Mint UNC, 400. Quit India Movement Kolkata Mint UNC condition, 400. This is 500. This is 400. 2 400 and 1 500 is there. Bolu Noida Mint BU condition, 300. Santa Tukaram Noida Mint UNC condition, 300. AUNC condition Noida Mint ILO, 400. 50 United Nations for 500. Mother's Health for 800. If you want all, you can take for 1500. All Noida Mint ka 1500 rupees full set, 200 discount in this. Single you want, then there is single ka rate already mentioned. Railways Mumbai Mint BU condition. This is a ghost image Bolu, only for 200. Madan Mohan Malviya, 200. Hyderabad Mint with clear details, 200. 2006 cross coin Noida Mint, very scarce coin, 200. Jai Prakash Narayana Hyderabad BU, 200. UNC condition Hyderabad Mint cellular gel, 500. 500 rupees each. Quit India Movement Hyderabad Mint UNC condition, 400. Kolkata Mint 500. This if you want, you can take a set for 800. Patel Noida Mint with clear mint mark, extra fine plus type of condition, 700 rupees. 2002 Noida Mint BU condition, 300 rupees each. BU condition Kolkata Mint cellular gel, 400. AUNC condition Noida Mint 50 years of United Nations, 400. Agri Expo Mumbai Mint, Tamil Conference Mumbai Mint, Food and Environment Mumbai Mint. So all this for all 3 coin for 1000 rupees. This is a set, 1000 rupees. If you want single coin also, you can take it. This is the price. Supreme Court Mumbai Mint BU condition, 300. Rainfed Farming Kolkata Mint BU condition, 400. '91 Parliamentary BU condition, 300. AUNC condition FAO Agriculture, 300. This is 400. Tamil Conference AUNC condition. Both you can take for 500. BU condition Kolkata Mint Safer Development, 400. Mumbai Mint, 400. Some 25 says 88 Mumbai, 100. 85 Mumbai, 150. 84 Mumbai, 150. 89 Hyderabad 100, 86 Hyderabad 100, 82 Mumbai 100. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Noida Mint UNC 300, Cellular Jail Mumbai Mint BU 200, Cellular Jail UNC Noida Mint 600, Food and Environment Mumbai Mint BU 400, Water for Life UNC Mumbai Mint 600, Water for Life BU Mumbai 700, K Kamaraj Hyderabad BU 400, 94 Lion variety, rare lion variety A lion, you can see 500, 94 normal coin UNC 400, Shama Prasad Mukherjee UNC 400, 65 Hyderabad Mint 400, BU condition Hyderabad Mint Nehru 600, BU condition Hyderabad Mint Sant Tukaram 400, and then one other one is there. This is a clear face one. This is for 500. Food and Environment Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 500, 99 Fat Lion with clear details, you can see. This is a rare mule variety with clear face, everything is detail is clear here. 600, UNC condition Noida Mint Mother's Health 2500, BU Mumbai Mint Rainfed Farming 300, Railways Bolu Ghost Terror 300, Hyderabad Mint Biodiversity 500, UNC condition, but you see Hyderabad Mint, all these coins come like this. Yes, small, like a lamination error, that's why I'm giving it for 500. 51 semicircle Kamaraj 500, extra fine plus type condition. Narayana Gurudeva BU Mumbai Mint 900, Patel Noida UNC 3000, Black Beauty Mumbai Mint Basveshwar BU condition 500, Rural Woman Hyderabad BU 400, Empty Planchet 1 rupee copper nickel 500, 1911 Pig variety 1 quarter anna 1500, International Family rare coin Noida Mint, you can see the clear mint mark, and I'll show you clear mint mark first. See this dot mint mark, this coin doesn't, mint mark doesn't come only in this coin, but see here the clear dot mint mark is there. See this plain edge, only for 3000. You don't get this coin in UNC. UNC is very, very expensive. This is a set 1962, 1947 Lahore Mint, 1950 Mumbai Mint. Say AUNC to UNC type in between condition, only for 2200 rupees, all three. See the condition, very nice condition. All three for 2200. It's a set. $2200. Small Pharma Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 500. Food for Future Hyderabad Mint UNC 600. See the face. ILO Hyderabad Mint BU condition 1600. Some 50 paise, half rupees 54 Kolkata 200. 62 Kolkata 50 paise 200. 63 Mumbai UNC 200. 671 BU Kolkata 150. 54 Kolkata 300. 71 Kolkata 100. Some 5 paces. 89 Kolkata 100. 91 Hyderabad 100. 80 Hyderabad 100. 84 Hyderabad 100. 82 Hyderabad 100. 93 Hyderabad 100. Black Beauty plus semicircle 51 semicircle UNC condition Mahatma Basveshwar. Rare in Black Beauty with semicircle 1600. Check the semicircle 1600 UNC condition. 44B UNC 1200. BU condition Noida Mint Agriculture 1200. UNC condition Noida Mint 50 United Nations 600. ILO Noida Mint UNC 700. Mumbai UNC ILO 700. 2 Anna 1918 Kolkata Mint scarce coin with clear details. You can see all the details are clear. 900. This is a set 47 Lahore, 62 Kolkata. This set for only 2200. AUNC to UNC condition. Check it. $2200 set. Hyderabad Mint tourism year UNC condition 700. 1954 UNC Mumbai Mint 2 Anna 3400. Food and Work UNC condition Hyderabad Mint 700. Happy Child Nation's Pride BU condition Hyderabad Mint 700. UNC condition Hyderabad Mint 500. Tilakki FSS. This is a copper nickel die use. See the clear line, very clear line. 2200. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Hyderabad Mint BU 700. Maharana Pratap BU Mumbai Mint 900. Extra fine to AUNC type condition. You can see clear detail, beard, hair, everything is clear. 1909 Mumbai Mint very rare coin, 3000 rupees. $1939 Kolkata Mint. This is a mature head variety. You can see this. I'm just showing you example. You see this spikes are touching the top line on the crown, but you see these spikes, they are not touching. This is a mature head and this is not mature head. Half rupees. This is 2200. $45 Lahore UNC 1600. 44 Lahore UNC 1400 with rotation. 39 quarter rupee Mumbai Mint 1200. Quarter rupee 44B 300. 43 Mumbai UNC 1800. Half rupee 21 Kolkata 1600. These are not easily available coin, very difficult to get in UNC condition. 1600. These are not UNC condition. If this is UNC, then I'll write here UNC. Whichever not written UNC, they are not UNC. Half rupees 1930 Kolkata Mint 2500. Half rupee 33 Kolkata Mint single mint coin 1200. Half rupee 34 Kolkata Mint 1200. 36 Kolkata Mint half rupee 1000. 45 Lahore Mint UNC half rupee 1400. 44 Lahore Mint UNC half rupee 1400. 1920 Mumbai Mint UNC 2000. 1911 Kolkata Mint pig variety. See the pig. Let's see the pig there. Here the pig. This is a pig variety. $4200 with almost 1 hour rotation also there. 1915 Mumbai Mint 3200. Clear details. 25th anniversary Mumbai Mint BU condition 2800. Some lion varieties. This is 44B set. This is die variety. Yeah, this is a normal and this is reverse B. It's called. Whole die is different. This whole die is a different die. Only for 1600. Basveshwar, Mahatma Basveshwar set, lion set, 2D lion, 3D lion, 2D lion, only for 300. Bolu ghost image set, Mumbai Mint. You can see ghost image. One has a ghost image. Here, see here front also ghost image. Here also ghost image. For 500. $94 lion set, 94 Noida. This is a lion, this is a B lion. Rare set, 800 rupees. $57B and $57C 25 paise set for 400. $86B lion set fat lion, and thin long lion, and fat short lion, only for 200 rupees. 91 parliamentary BU condition. You can see this is a flat chest and this is slit chest, different lion, only for 600. There are some 27, around 27 coins are there here, AUNC type condition. Agri Expo, sorry, this youth year, Hyderabad tourism year, Shivaji Maharaj, Kolkata, one more youth year, Ambedkar, Noida, Kolkata, youth year, Mumbai, again youth year, Shivaji Maharaj, some definitive, all very scarce coins are there, Ks and normal coins also there, all mix, scarce and normal coins mix here, just for 1500 rupees all. See, $27 pieces for 1500. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.